Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you some problems from application of differentiation. Here our first problem, we have to find the turning value of this expression and also have to find the nature of the turning value. So first we have to differentiate this expression dy by dx, which is 27 minus 8 by x cube. And you know how we get the x cube here. If we you know that if we find the dx of 1 by x square, which will be dx of, it will be x minus x to the power minus 2, and from this we get minus 2 to the power minus 2 minus 1, and from that uh, we get minus 2 divided by 1 by x cube, and from this we get 27. Thus we get 27 minus 8 by x cube. Similarly, we get d square by dx square is 24 by x cube, x to the power 4. And for turning points, we know dy by dx is equal to 0, and from that we get the value of x is 2 by 3. And if we substitute the value of x in equation 1, we get y is equal to 27. And at this point, since the value of d square y by dx square is positive, so it is a minimum point. Now we are going for the second problem. In second problem, our problem is a piece of wire which is 24 centimeter long is cut into two pieces. One is bent to form a square of side x centimeter, and other to form a circle of radius r centimeter, right? And we have to express r in terms of x first, then we have to find the value of x for which the sum of the areas of the square and the circle is a minimum. Here given circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r plus 4x is 24, and from that we get the value of r is to 12 minus 2x by pi. Why it is 2 pi r plus 4x is 24? Because we know the uh, piece of wire was 24 centimeter long, and we cut it into uh, two parts. One part is becomes a square and another is a circle. So area circumference of circle and circumference of square. Now for the second part, total area is area of circle plus area of square. Area of circle is pi r square, area of circle square is plus x square, and if we put the value of r, and we get 12 minus 2x by pi plus x square, and dt by dx will be 2 times 12 minus 2x. From that we get minus 2 divided by pi plus 2x. Now for minimum or maximum values, we know dt by dx is equal to 0. From this we get the value of x is 24 by pi plus 4, and dt by dx will be this expression, and d square t plus dx square is positive, and at this point t is minimum. Okay. Now third problem, a viscous liquid is poured onto a flat surface. It forms a circular patch which grows at a steady rate of 8 centimeter square per second. We have to find the radius in terms of pi, and new radius, and the radius of the patch, which is 25 seconds after pouring has commenced. The rate of increase of the radius at this instant. This two part we have to calculate here. Now if r be the radius of the flat surface and a be the area of the patch, then we know di by dt is 8 centimeter square per second according to question. And since 8 at each second the area increases at 8 centimeter square per second, so after 25 seconds the area is 200. So if the new radius is x, then pi x square is 200. From that we get the value of x is 10 times root 2 divided by root pi centimeter. Thus we get the value of x, which is new radius. Now for the second part, we know a is equal to pi r square, which is area of circle, and from that we get the value of dA by dt, which is 2 pi r. Now dA by dt is equal to dA by dr times dr by dt. From this we get the value, we find the value of dr by dt, which is dA by dt divided by d by dr, and the dr by dt will be 8 by 2 pi r, and from this value of r will be 10 times root 2 divided by root pi, and the value of dr by dt is 2 by 5 root 2 root pi, and dr by dt we get root over 2 pi divided by 5 pi centimeter per second. Okay. Now in the another problem, we are in equation in question we get find the equation of that we have to find the equation of the tangent and that of the normal to the curve at the point where x is equal to pi by 6. We are given y is equal to 5 sin 2x, and from that we get 2a by dx is equal to 10 cos 2x. At x equal to pi by 6 we get y is equal to 5 sin 2 pi by x, which is 5 sin pi by 3, and value which is 5 root 3 by 2. And at x equal to pi by 6 the value of dy by dx is 10 cos 2 pi by 6, which is 10 cos 2 pi by 3, and the value is 5. So the tangent at this point will be y minus y naught is equal to 5 times x minus x naught. This is the equation of tangent from we know, and the expression will be 2y is equal to 10x plus 5 root 3 minus 5 pi by 3, and the normal at this point will be y minus 5 root 3 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 5 times x minus pi by 6, and the expression will be 10y plus 2x is equal to 25 root 3 plus pi by 3. This is our equation of normal. And the normal, what is normal? Normal is a line perpendicular to the tangent. So if the equation of tangent is this equation, a small change will happen in the equation of normal. This part will be reverse, and we have to bring a minus here, right? So the equation of normal will be y minus y naught is equal to minus dx by dy at x naught y naught times x minus x naught, which we apply here. Now for the last problem, we are given a particle moves in a straight line so that its distance s meters from a fixed point O is given by this equation, where t is the time in seconds after passing O, and k and n are constant. We have to find the velocity v and acceleration after t seconds, and then we have to show that we have to prove this expression. Now we are given s equal to k and tan nt, and velocity is ds by dt, so which is nk sec square nt. The acceleration is dv by dt, it becomes 2n square k sec nt and sec nt tan nt, right? From this, if here we have to replace this x by v, okay, then we get ak is equal to 2nbs. So I tried to show you some problems from application of differentiation. Hope from this these problems will help you understand the topics. If you find any more problems which is difficult and you can't understand any topic, please give me message and drop in in the comment box of YouTube, and please support me and subscribe my channel. Hope you all the best. Assalamu alaikum.